In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a page on Wix. Open your site in the Wix editor. Once it loads, click the Pages and Menu icon in the upper left sidebar. It looks like a sheet of paper with two horizontal lines. A panel will expand, showing all your site's pages. Find the page you want to duplicate in that list. If you have many pages, use the search bar at the top of the panel, hover over the page name, and click the three-dot More Actions icon that appears beside it. A drop-down menu will open. Click Duplicate from that menu. Wix will immediately create a copy of the page with all the same content, sections, and layout. The new page will appear in your list with the original name plus copy at the end. Click directly on the duplicated page's name in the panel to edit it. Give it a unique title that reflects its purpose, then press Enter. Here are a few things to keep in mind. First, the duplicated page copies the URL slug from the original, so you'll need to go into page settings and change the slug to make it unique, otherwise it will conflict with the original page's URL. Second, if your page uses dynamic content connected to a Wix database, the duplicate copies the page structure but not the data connections. You'll need to reconnect the dataset manually for the new page to pull the correct data. That's how to duplicate a page on Wix.